Hi guys, it's Will Wynn from My Car Heaven. Just here today doing a slight upgrade on my Land Rover Defender 110. I'll show you what I'm going to do and let me know what you think of the change, improvement. Always good to hear your thoughts. So here's the part that we're going to replace. You can see it's a metal strip across the back. It's had seen better days, so I'm just going to replace that with a part that I've bought online, and let's see what difference it makes. Hopefully there'll be no major traumas. I'm just going to take all of the screws out. Sometimes when you're taking parts off a Land Rover Defender, it can not go according to plan, as I recently found out with some mud guards. Anyway, let's fast forward. So, we've got the part off now, here. Okay, so we're now going to put the new part on, but before we do that we need to clean this up. I'm a bit fastidious and a bit of a perfectionist for making sure things are perfect, so going to clean this up and we'll just fast forward that because I'm sure you don't want to watch me in real time. So I've taken the rubber off here. You can see it's been stuck down, whether that's meant to be the case or not. This is a new part. It says Defender on it. It's obviously got a cover on it at the moment. But when I put that on it as we speak, basically it covers up, well, you can see some dirt. Yeah, you can see here. You can see the dirt will cover it there, so we need to get rid of this. So I'm just going to clean this now, whether or not I can do it with this stuff. So I've got sticky stuff remover, and let's see if that works. If not, I'll have to try and find a different way of getting it off. Okay. Oh yeah, that's working a treat. Okay, it's going to take a while, so we have to fast forward. So you can see it's working there. I'm not going to record all this, I'll clean it all and we'll come back in a minute. So there you have bare metal cleaned. There's the rubber. It's all been cleaned up as well. Both sides ready to fit back on. Okay, so let's start putting this back together then. Okay. So this is our new piece. Take off all the protective strips. So there's the old part that I've just put back on to just remind you of what it looked like, and then we'll put the new piece on now, and you can see what it looks like new with the new piece on. So just going to fit the new part. I'm very happy with it. Got some new screws to replace the rusty ones. Right. Don't screw them completely up to begin with. Following the rule of putting a screw in every other hole. Okay, keeping all the screws loose still. So these four I will start to tighten. Okay, not too tight. Let's do the last one. Okay. Now, I'm not someone who's specifically a car mechanic or car minded person, but I do like a bit of DIY. But this has been a relatively easy job, and it's certainly a job you can do at home if you've got your Defender. You don't need to take it to the garage. It's taken me probably about an hour. Just take your time. Right, let's just screw them up. It's tight. Not too tight. Tight enough. Okay. There you have it. I am very happy Land Rover Defender owner. Look at this. That is nice. Maybe not for the purists, but I think that's a nice little upgrade. That's about £50 from eBay. I'll put the link below if you fancy upgrading your Land Rover. See you around, and don't forget to follow us on social media at mycarheaven.com, and follow us on YouTube, subscribe, like, leave a comment. See you around.